Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. We're just going to overhaul this 253 head. So I took the liberty of pulling out 3 guides and one injector tube, and I made a tool for this and a tool to install the guides. My kit didn't have that tool, so now I get to use it and see how well it works. So for those of you interested, this is the Kentmore injector tube overhaul kit, and it does have the guide tools. This is an OEM guide tool for a 4-valve head, and this is my tool for the 2-valve head. The 2-valve head has bigger guides in it, so it's a different tool. And to install the guides, I made 2 different tools. One like sort of like a Cummins install tool, and one by the manual that threads into the guide. And then I found one on eBay for a 4-valve head. It won't work in this application, but I just wanted it for my 453T, and it turns out they didn't thread anything in there. It's just like a Cummins install tool. So yeah, I didn't have to go to all the effort to make these guides in the middle. So anyway, we'll use these and install those guides. And that's an injector tube that I took out. So there it is there. That's it. As easy as that. Now I'm sure the manual says to use a press to put the guides in, but I'm sure guys are just using a hammer and then whacking them in. I'm pretty well certain of that. Let me know in the comments below if that's the methods most of you guys use. So here's the old style guide, and there's the new one. And this accommodates the valve seal. And you could see the threads in there for the threaded tool. So I'm sure guys just put the installer in here like this and then drive it in with a hammer. But we'll press it in. There. Just to make sure I got it right. Yeah, it looks pretty good though. Happy with that. I like it when a plan comes together. Jeez, that's nice. Makes quick work of this job. And then I don't damage anything by hammering those guides in. Oops. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the guides put in. So we're going to test the valve now. Oh, that's really nice. Wow, that is really nice. No wiggling. So those valves, once the machine shop dresses those seats, they'll be perfect. There's the old valves out of it. You can see all the corrosion, so it could never reuse those. You can see the imprint of the threads on the valve from sitting for decades. Well, there you go, guys. There's 4 guides installed. And really nice. Very happy with how that turned out. And I did install one tube off camera, and I'll bring you along for the second tube. So we'll push this tube out, and then I'll go through the whole process of putting the new tubes in on another video. So that's the guides getting pressed in on the 253. And again, thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.